Okay, so let's try to identify some of the treasure NFTs here on Binance. Okay, now this video comes from my previous video where I spoke to you guys about identifying treasure NFTs here on Binance. Now, more easy processes and more NFTs, treasure NFTs have been published here on Binance, and in this video we're going to identify some of them in terms of tokens, and then also you can see how you can enter the market and make some some profit while you can. You also have to know that this is crypto and there's a whole lot of risks. However, any action you take as far as this is concerned should be your personal decision. Okay. All right, so in this short video I'm going to show you how we can identify a treasure NFT so that you can enter the market while you can. Okay, it's very important for you guys to pay attention closely to what process I take to identify these NFTs. Okay, now in my previous video I explained to you that one of the easiest way to identify treasure NFT is by searching for treasure NFT. Correct? So what we're going to do at this point is, you see the search icon you find at the top of your screen on the Binance application. Because here we are using the Binance application, I need to make sure that you're using the professional version of Binance, and you should have updated the latest version of Binance application. I mean, on your cell phone. Just in case you're using Play Store or App Store, try to update the latest version, because there are a whole lot of exciting features which Binance have added in your application, and just in case you have the updated version, you may not find it at your end. Okay, so this is a quick fix for those of you who find it difficult. Okay, so the easiest way to look for a treasure NFT is just to search the NFT. So what we're gonna do at this point is we're gonna use this icon, the search icon you find here, and then we type treasure NFTs. Okay, now this is a very crucial step, because most all of you who watched my previous video, I told you you can get them on discoveries, announcements, and so on. Now, in order not to go through a whole lot of discoveries, a whole lot of announcements, the best thing is just to search the term we are looking for. So we're going to type the treasure NFTs, and as you can see, these are the treasure NFTs. In fact, I've seen people who made several posts on different social media platforms talking about the magic USDT. Okay, this one, right? Many people already talk about this, and if you look at it on the sense of the Binance Square, you're gonna find different measure statements as far as measure post, as far as the magic token is concerned. As you can see, research shows that it is a treasure NFT. This simply means at this point of this coin, you might want to consider it as a treasure NFT, and you might want to look at it, what the market is saying, and what treasure it holds. Okay, so these are some of the treasure NFTs you can find on Binance. I need to note that some of these NFTs are they are aligned in the metaverse ecosystem, so you can closely see clearly that these NFTs would make waves on the internet within some few days. As you can see, there is already a bullish tag on this NFT, and it is very important at this point. Okay, all right, so more of this is going to be shared about other NFTs and how to identify them and how to enter the market while you can.